Hi guys, I'm gonna ask you a question, and if you answer yes, you must continue watching this video. Have you ever said something like, I've come to England for to learn English? And that for to learn. Have you ever said something like this before? If you have, keep on watching. I'm going to be talking about when to use for and when to use to in this situation. Welcome back to Pronunciation with Emma. So today, of course, is going to be a little grammar video, and it's going to be solving that problem that a lot of students have, and it's when to use for and when to use to. So let's go back to that original example. I came to England for to learn English. Now, in English, we can't use for to together. So, in this case, we have a verb. Whenever you have a verb that comes after that preposition, we use to learn. Now you're thinking, when do we use for? Well, whenever you have a noun or a gerund coming after, that's when you use for. So let's have a look at these two examples here. She only came to my house, blank, use the free Wi-Fi. What do you think? Well, we have a verb, so I know that before that verb we use to use. So the sentence should be, she only came to my house to use the free Wi-Fi. Now take a look at this one. She only came to my house, blank, the free Wi-Fi. Now we have a noun. So, should we use to? No, because we need a verb. Can we use for to? Never. These two never go together in the same sentence. So we can only use for because we have a noun coming after. She only came to my house for the free Wi-Fi. Now let's put all that theory into practice. I'm going to give you 6 examples and I'd like you to tell me down in the comments what you think they are. Don't worry, I'll also give you the answers after so you can compare. Check out this first one. What do we think? The answer is, I really want to go to Paris to visit the galleries. To visit. We use to because we have a verb coming after, to visit. How about this one? She moved to Spain for the good weather. She moved to Spain for the good weather. So we're using for in this case because the good weather is a noun. We cannot say for to the good weather because we cannot use those two together, and we can't use to because we need a verb. So, the good weather, it's a noun, we use for. How about this one? We went to the cinema to watch a film. We went to the cinema to watch a film. To watch, because it's a verb. To watch. Number 4, what do you think about this one? I really need a job for some money. I really need a job for some money. Some money, we have a noun, we don't have a verb, so we're using for. Number 5, what do we think about this one? I went to the shop for a bottle of milk. I went to the shop for a bottle of milk. Bottle of milk, it's a noun, it's not a verb. Again, we're using for. And the last one, what do you think about this one? What do you think the answer is here? We should go to Indonesia to try some of the local cuisine. We should go to Indonesia to try some of the local cuisine. To try. To, because we have a verb, try. To try. Remember, never ever for to try and never for try. In this case, to try. To try. I hope this video was really useful for you and it helped combat this mistake which I hear almost all the time. Even my most advanced students, they make this mistake. So I hope it's helped you. If it has, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your answers. Have a lovely week and I will see you next lesson. See you soon. I hope it was beneficial for you. It's a super common mistake. So if I have helped change one person's life, then my mission is complete here.